The 812 GTS is the epitome of what a Ferrari ought to be. The best Italian leather upholstery and its breathtaking beauty are only preludes to the naturally aspirated, 789 horsepower V12 engine. Whenever the driver's right foot triggers the maker's siren song, the front-mounted V12 accelerates comically quickly. That may sound a little theatrical, but the 812's unadulterated design and goal are incredibly motivating. The fact that it can be classy for evenings out on the town while still being only a quick accelerator thrust-away adds to its allure. Although Ferrari dislikes us attaching our testing apparatuses to their goods, we managed to record a 2.7-second 60 mph run in the GTS Coupe variant, known as the Superfast at the time, back in 2018. It completed the quarter-mile in 10.4 seconds at 138 mph, reaching 100 mph in 5.7 seconds. Very quick, in fact. Under the hood of the 2024 812 GTS convertible, the sole body option offered for this model year is the same 6.5-liter V12. After our drive of the 2021 Ferrari 812 GTS, we were able to put any questions about the car's supercar capability to rest and declared it to be 2 cars in 1. Those who are lucky enough to purchase a 2024 812 GTS will also become members of a select group, as the 812 is probably the final normally aspirated V12 Ferrari sports car that does not require hybrid assistance. As if the 812 required more to be considered exceptional. What's new for 2024 Ferrari 812 GTS? The 2024 Ferrari 812 is priced at $433,765, but Ferrari makes sure all the necessary things are in place because the automobile only comes in one specification and has a high base price, 20-inch wheels, brake rotors made of carbon ceramic, and an interior covered in thick layers of scented leather. Not much more than a variety of paint colors, interior accents, and wheel shapes are available for customization. As previously stated, at the conclusion of the 2023 model year, the Competizione Coupes and Competizione Aperta convertibles were removed from the roster. Nevertheless, the GTS is a great stopgap because of its collapsible aluminum top, which amplifies the V12's concerto when the wind rips through our hair, whether we're taking extended drives along the PCH or quick jaunts through cities. Engine, transmission, and performance for 2024 Ferrari 812 GTS. Ferrari claims that although if the GTS does not go by the Superfast moniker, it is nonetheless extremely fast, reaching a top speed of 211 mph. A naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine producing 789 horsepower and 530 pound-feet of torque is used to propel the vehicle at that speed. A 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission transfers this power to the back wheels. The V12 is perhaps one of the last Ferrari engines to leave Maranello without the use of hybridization or forced induction, and it serves as a somewhat overt reminder of the principles upon which the company was founded. Our test drivers managed to accelerate a Superfast to 60 mph in just 2.7 seconds, however we haven't tried a GTS. Ferrari states that the GTS should only take a tenth of a second longer to reach 60 mph than the Superfast. This is probably because the convertible weighs an estimated 265 pounds more than the coupe because of the folding top mechanism and additional chassis strengthening. We felt the GTS seemed much smaller than it actually is because of its agile and lively handling for a nearly 2-ton vehicle during our drive. The 812's incredible loudness is simple to enjoy thanks to the detachable roof. Its exhaust tone begins as a guttural growl and builds to an ear-piercing shriek. And the standard carbon ceramic brakes bring this beast to a swift and firm stop. In our testing, the Superfast coupe required just 142 feet to stop from 70 mph, and the GTS should exhibit comparable braking prowess. Fuel economy and real-world MPG for 2024 Ferrari 812 GTS. Fuel economy is not one of the Ferrari 812's many pleasures, despite its abundance. Though it's not like EPA fuel economy figures make or break agreements on sports cars with 789 horsepower and prices above $330,000, even the wealthy should know exactly what they are receiving. Using the EPA's standard, the Ferrari 812 GTS gets 12 miles per gallon in the city and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. Although it has a V10, the main competitor, the Lamborghini Huracan, performs slightly better, achieving 13 and 18 miles per gallon, respectively. We only obtained 11 miles per gallon out of the 812 Superfast during our testing. It fell 2 points short of its combined rating of 13 miles per gallon. We haven't tested a GTS yet. Visit the EPA website to learn more about the 812's fuel efficiency. Interior, comfort, and cargo for 2024 Ferrari 812 GTS. The 812 doesn't have a lot of unnecessary space, but the fortunate 2 residents probably won't cry over it. Rather, guests will take pleasure in the reasonably cozy lodgings, elegant modern style, and excellent ergonomics. Ferrari removed the standard steering wheel stalks and installed push-button wiper and turn signal controls on the spokes, hoping that drivers would embrace the 812's grand touring spirit and always have their hands on the wheel. The folding top contributes to the limited storage capacity of 7 cubic feet. The previous Superfast coupe had a freight volume of 18 cubic feet. However, you're completely missing the point if you can afford a GTS and are preoccupied with luggage capacity. Infotainment and connectivity for 2024 Ferrari 812 GTS. Although there is a normal 6-speaker audio system, the V12 behind your ears is where the true music comes from. Along with Bluetooth phone connection, audio streaming, and an integrated navigation system with voice activation, standard technology also provides these features. Owners have the option to install Apple CarPlay, but Android users are not in luck. Safety and driver assistance features for 2024 Ferrari 812 GTS. Similar to many supercars, the 812 GTS has minimal driver assistance technology. Visit the websites of the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, for additional details regarding the 812's crash test results. Thanks for watching.